Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia G20 to a Realme device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bar right away. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now choose I accept, confirm. So sorry, misclick. Continue and allow. One more time. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then go with receive on Realme and send on Nokia. After that, you need to tap on all of those kind of dots and select send in order to transfer all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will go into photos, for example, click on that one and tap send. Then choose got it, and from here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon over here on Realme, tap on allow and point your camera at the code. Then we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can go into File Manager, tap on Photos and go into Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!